Good morning, student. As you know, I didn't took class on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday due to some reason. Today I am taking class. So today I am teaching as about words. I am going to explain about words, but the definition I had completed. Exercise 1, 2, and 3 also I had completed as chapter 10, and I had also explained use of be and exercise 4, 5, 6 also. After then, I had told you can do exercise 8 as match the animals and birds with their cries. Write the number in the circle. One is done for you. Like that, doves. So doves quack. Doves quack. So cries of the ducks quacks like that. Other animals also given, so I will give the solution tomorrow. I will give the solution. Today also I will give solution. After exercise 8, like that you can match. After that, verb like do, does, did also has the opposite meaning like that, do not, does not, did not. So you can use as like that in the negative, like that I did the work. I did the work. You can use I did not. I did not do the work. I did the work. I did not do the work. This is the negative. Or I didn't do the work. Also this is negative. So it means you can represent as using of did not as to complete the opposite form after did. Like that, he like that. Many examples are there. Opposite meanings you can take. So you can do like that. Like that, he does not take breakfast. He does not take breakfast. It is also has negative sense. So you can use does not for the negative sense. For the opposite, you can use did not. You can use do not also for the negative sense as form of the verb. After then, as representing is not, are not, also you can use short form. You can use short form as is not, are not, like that. This is not. Is not, you can write that isn't. Is, comma, anti. Isn't. Is, and like that you can do. ISN, comma, and isn't. So is not means isn't. Or not, like that or aren't, aren't. So you can see is not, isn't, and are not, are not. So AREN, putting comma here, and you can use isn't, aren't in the short form. So use isn't or aren't to begin these questions. If singular number subject, so you can use isn't. If plural number subject, you can use aren't. Isn't he going to Germany? You can fill isn't. Second, aren't they going with him? So aren't, because they here, so you can use aren't. Aren't they going with him? Here third, it too early for snow. So isn't it too early for snow? And fourth, there any fruits in the fridge? Isn't there any fruit in the fridge? Fifth, isn't anybody at the gate to welcome them? So like that you can use are not, aren't, as is not, isn't. As after then question tags. As question tags also you can use like that. He is eating in class, isn't he? He is eating in class. Like that question tags also you can do. You can apply question tags for the one. Question tags. You can see question tags how. Like that, one example, he is eating in the class. He is eating in the class. He is eating in the class. Isn't he? Isn't he? Question mark. See again. He is eating in the class. You can make question tag. Isn't he? It means, is he not taking? Is he not eating in the class? Isn't he? It means falsely it is saying. So you can make a question tag as isn't he? Like that. Second example, they have run away. Haven't they? Haven't they? Like that. Means have they not? After that, the twins look cute. Don't they? Means do they not? Like that you can make question tags. So look at the changes. Is becomes isn't, are becomes aren't, was becomes wasn't, did becomes didn't, and so on. It means you can use like that. Did not, didn't, do not, will not, were not, are not, are not. So you can use like that. So have not, haven't. Also you can do is not, isn't, does not, doesn't. Form questions by putting question tags to this sentence. So today, students, you can try as page number 34, last exercise yourself. I will give solution today only of this chapter. 1 to 11 exercises I will give. Okay. If you feel any problems, you can ask me, but you can do either form questions by putting question tag to these sentences like that. You know the answer. Means you know the answer, don't you? You know the answer, don't you? Like that. We are starving. We are starving. Or not we? We are starving. Or not we? Like that. It will rain. It will rain. So, like that, will it not rain? I love the doctor. I love the doctor. So, didn't I do? Did I love? Like that. So, you make question tags. After that, I will give answer and solution. Tomorrow, I will explain subject and verb agreement. So, you can read at home for today's class. Thank you.